Shaun Davies, or as people know me as, the Hammer. I've arrived now at BWA for one thing and one thing only. It's to take that championship belt off Paul Beswick. Paul Vault Beswick. Who is he? Who is this guy? Never heard of him. But for one thing for sure, he's going to hear of the Hammer on the 14th of October when we meet at London Road Sports and Social Club. He's not going to know what's hitting. So you better tell his family what's going to happen, because they need to know when they're in his hospital bed by his side, telling him what happened to him on that day. So you're looking now at a new BWA champion. This time is my time. It's Hammer time. Let the hammer fall.